Good morning, everyone. We are glad that you have poured the time out of your schedule to be here with us. And we will also wait in the process for our friends to join because the weather condition in Indonesia right now is currently not good, but we hope they can join us and their signals are on a good condition. So today we will help our webinar with Professor Muhammad Hamza Zaheer from Superior University and RIPA International University. We will discuss about the urgent need for skilled practitioners in quality management, about the challenges and also the solutions. But before we go ahead discussing about this topic, let me introduce first about ISCQ Academy. And we would like to say sorry because our moderator for today, Professor Philja, is currently feeling under the weather. So I'll be replacing in his behalf. So ISCQ Academy is a company based in Indonesia, and we are currently moving in the field of quality management and supply chain management. So for supply chain, we have like 3 tiers from the basic one, or we call it associate, on to intermediate, and lastly, the expert. For our 3 years running or moving onward to our 4th year in business, we have students from all over the industries, whether it's education, manufacturing, even from the service industries. And moving on, so today we will discuss more about quality management, and we also provide the courses in Lean Six Sigma, where we learn more about quality, whether it's from the white belt, the most basic one, and onward through the green belt. So now let me introduce you to Professor Zaheer from Superior University, where he will take us deeper about quality management. The professors are here. The floor is yours.
Thank you. Okay, let me first introduce myself and then start the presentation. And before that, I will share my screen. Okay. Everyone seen that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start with the topic. The topic is the urgent need of for skilled practitioner in quality management, challenges and solutions. So first of all, we explain about it. What is the quality management and the challenges and the issues. So welcome to this presentation on the pressing need for skilled quality management professionals. Today we will explore the current landscape, man challenges and solutions to fill this critical gap. Okay. And here is about my little bit introduction. I am Professor Mohammad Hamza Zaheer, Senior Lecturer of Management Sciences at International University Lahore, Pakistan campus. And I'm also a Ph.D. scholar of Management Sciences at Superior University and more than 10 plus research publications in different research papers in HSC journals and SCOOP Plus Index and 15 plus training workshops I have already done and trained multiple researchers about the data analysis and supervise the thesis more than 15 plus, attend more than almost 20 plus international conferences at different forums, and also being a part of different top 10 international journals. So let's start the topic without wasting any time. So the topic is the quality management and their issues and challenges. So first of all, understand about the quality management. The quality management is built on only two factors. Number one is ensure product and service excellence, and then there is the customer satisfaction. First of all, we understand about the product and service excellence. The product and service excellence is totally based on the consistency and the reliability. And the IA like ISO 9001 and more ISOs are available in the market regarding to their fields and products and service. But first of we understand about the consistency. If we consistent with our product service, so we perform better quality management rather than others. And the other thing is the customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the highly critical topic in every field. According to Kotler in marketing, he said, one good customer create only 7 good customer for you, but one the bad customer create 10 bad customer for you. So that's the main reason the satisfaction of customer vary from customer to customer. So gain the satisfaction of each customer is difficult at any stage, at any business, at any position. And then we discuss about the factors about quality management. You can set factors and the main pillars of the quality management. The number one is the customer focus. Identify your customer. Who is your customer? Who need for the quality management? Number two is the leadership. You must lead the process. You must lead the difficulties. You must face the problems and issues. And the process approach. How to process it? Defining and managing process for efficiency and improvement. If you want to improve your process, so you must do work each and every day, not stop your work. When you stop your work, so you are rely on the old and the previous methods and approaches. And the continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is same like a uh, regular learning. You said this, if you are not learn on each day, so you cannot improve yourself. And the evidence-based decision making. Always rely on the evidence-based decision making, not make any decision without any evidence. If you do this, so you can create a problem for your organization and also for yourself. Now, we discuss about the evolving landscape of quality management. Now, we live in 2024 and almost ending 2024 and move towards the 2025. So what are the evolving landscapes of the quality management? Number one is the emerging technology. You can set that the AI is available and the many other gadgets and the technological changes arrive in the whole world. This can change the this can totally change the process of automation and the quality management practices. And the second one is the global competition. The global competition is the harsh reality and the positive change in the field of quality management. Why I'm said harsh reality? Because I'm said due to there are many challenges in different countries. Like it, I'm living in Pakistan. There is a lot of need to do work for the quality management, but we can't do. Why? Because there is a lack of resources, lack of government regulations, lack of some religious points. So that's the main reason. We said that global competition highly attract us, but also a risking factor for us. And the last one is the shifting customer expectations. So the customer expectations shift day to day, time to time, and change their perceptions and change their preferences. So if we keen on these three factors and understand about these three factors, so we can easily take the positive change and the solutions for the quality management. And the key competencies and skills for quality management. So the key competencies we required for the quality management. Number one is the technical expertise. If we are not expert in any field, so we cannot take the advantage of the quality management. I'm serving in academia from the last 10 years, so you can say that I'm a little bit expert about it. But you can approach me in 2020, 2013. So present a lecture about the quality management. So I'm not a little bit sure about it. Why? Because I'm not technical expert. But now at that time, I'm a little bit expert about it. Why? I'm conducting different workshops, different sessions, and multiple lectures, regular uh, handle almost 2000 to 2500 students in the university sector. So the main issue is the technical expertise. We have a lack of expertise in the quality management. And the second one is the interpersonal skills. Why interpersonal skills? Because especially in Pakistan, no one have a proper interpersonal skills. I'm easily said it. Why I'm said it? Due to some issues, some problems, interpersonal roles create a positive image in your personality. But if you don't polish yourself, so you cannot improve yourself. And the third one is the continuous learning again, adaptability and the commitment to staying up to date with industry trends and the best practices. This is the main issue with any industry. We cannot up to date according to the industry trends. So here is the main issue. And the fourth one is the strategic thinking. We only rely on the old methods and the old procedures, not discuss about the quality initiative with the broad organization's goals and objectives. But why? That's the main issues and the key competencies for the quality management. The importance of quality management today business. Why we discuss about it? Why we learn about it today? Why you can make a session with me for this topic, and I'm spend a time with you, and you can also arrange all settlements and attend the session with the hustle and bustle day. Why? Because the importance of quality management to the business environment is very important. Number one is the customer satisfaction. I'm already said, Kotler said, the one good customer create only seven good customers. But the one bad customer create 10 bad customer for it. The quality management directly impact customer satisfaction by ensuring product and services meet expectations. And the second one is the enhanced efficiency. What is efficiency? In business, when I'm teach my student, some first lecture is about efficiency. Anyone tell me the answer about the efficiency? Not understand about efficiency. Have any? Okay. I'm first give you concept of efficiency and then explain the enhanced efficiency. The efficiency in our business term, we can say right things on the right time, on the right place, and the right time. The three main factors for the efficiency. Right things on the right time, on the right place. So we can do efficient work. Enhance efficiency only based on the quality process and the streamline operations, reduced error. That's the main issue. We reduce error by the enhanced efficiency. And the next one is the competitive advantage. Delivering consistently high quality differentiates businesses in the competitive marketplace. But we can't do. Why we can't do? Because we have already rely on the previous methods and the old school of thoughts and learning from our past, not. So uh, only few organizations working with the competitive advantage. And next one is the sustainable growth. In the world today, the WHO and the FW are already working on the sustainable growth. My dissertation on the PhD are totally rely on the sustainable growth. I'm working with the quality education. It's a fourth pillar of the sustainable growth. Why the whole world discuss about the sustainable growth? Quality management foster trust, builds brands, reputation that drives long-term business growth. So if we want to flourish a business and long-term businesses growth, so we rely on the sustainable growth. Otherwise, we cannot succeed in the future. Okay. The current state of quality management. Now we discuss about the main issue about the quality management. The current state of the quality management has the three main big issues. Number one is manufacturing, second one is healthcare, and the last one is education. We already face because I'm directly linked with the academia, so I'm facing. So the number one is the manufacturing. Why we said manufacturing is the current issue in quality management? A lack of skilled quality practitioner leads to increase the errors and costly recalls in the manufacturing sectors. When we hire unprofessionals in any organization, in any sector, they create errors and hurdles for us and create also for cost because we can't bear the cost. Huh? Sit down, Alexa, sit down. And the next one is that this can damage brand reputation and the erode customer confidence. Just wait a second, just wait a second. I'm gonna stop the slides because my cat Alexa disturbed me. Um, so we discuss about the issues, the main issues of the quality management. The main issue is the manufacturing. Why we manufacturing? We said the lack of skilled quality practitioners leads to increased errors and costly recalls in the manufacturing sector. And the next one is healthcare. This the main issue in Pakistan regarding the quality management on the healthcare and the education. Why? In healthcare, inconstantly quality standards pose significant patient safety risk. Adequate quality management is essential to ensure consistent treatment protocols, accurate medication administration, and improve patient outcome. And the in Pakistan, I'm seeing that many unprofessionals are joining the healthcare and destroying the quality management totally. And the next one is the education. Not in Pakistan, all around the world, because I'm traveled almost more than 10 countries, so I'm faced this issue and observe it. We answer all the question at the end. Okay, next one is the education. Why we discuss about the education is the main issue and the main pillar in quality management problem. Outdated process and the lack of continuous improvement in education can hinder students in learning and limit their career prospect. I'm seeing that many organizations work for the students, work for the betterment of students, but when we discuss about the main issue, so this say no, 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 just leave it and move on. Because why? Because we want to create our revenues. We want just to create the numbers in graduate terms, in master's terms, in PhD terms, not for the betterment of students, not for the solutions of the country, not for the solution of the industry. So here is the three main big issues regarding in quality management. You can say it easily. Say manufacturing, healthcare, and education. Okay. The challenges in quality management. So the first challenge is the skill gap. Many quality practitioners lack of proficiency in modern quality management tools, like including Six Sigma, Lean. I'm very happy when the moderator discuss about they already offer the courses about Six Sigma and the Lean and the total quality management. Because in Pakistan, I'm not seen any organization and any institute offer this type of courses. So I'm too much happy about it. The gap hinders their ability to adapt the evolving industry demands. And the next one is the educational gap. Educational gap. Many universities do not offer specialized degrees in quality management, but in Pakistan, from the last few years, I'm seeing that many universities offer quality management degrees. And there is a proper department in the Punjab University, University of the Punjab in Pakistan, IQTM, International Quality Management. They offer many degrees regarding the quality management. And the third one is the resistance to change. How we change, how we resist. The organization often resists adopting new quality management practices due to enhanced habits and the lack of understanding of the benefits of the change. Yeah, I'm seeing that in my organization, in RIFA, I'm already seeing that when we want to change, so they persist to resist. Why? Because they are not habitual, agree, and their habit is not to adapt or adopt any new thing and any new invention in academia. This resistance can stifle innovation and limit improvement potential. That's the main issue. When we resist to change, so we can stifle the innovation and the limit improvement. And then last one is the globalization and the complexity. Why globalization? Managing quality across global supply chains is increasingly difficult due to diverse regulations, language barriers, and the cultural differences. Yes, you can easily understand being a Muslim, we have different values and different Islamic culture, and the non-Muslim have different values and different in their culture, and the Hinduism have also have different values and different cultures. So globalization, the complexity in the quality management also have a challenge due to language barrier, cultural difference, adaptability practitioners, and the strong cross-cultural communication and the problem-solving skills. Challenges in attracting and retaining quality management talent. How we attract? So we attract through the compensation, provide the too much lucrative salaries to our competitors and uh, our competitors and to our employees to attract them to adapt the quality management or join the quality management sector and the career growth opportunities for advancement and the professional developments Company culture. Company culture totally depicts your uh, personality. I easily said that the company culture is designed to you. You not design the company. Company culture designed to you. Why I'm saying it? Because I'm serving in different academia and now I'm seeing myself. So I'm not like mm, that I want to wish like that. Why? Due to company culture. In 2013, when I joined the academia, so I'm totally different, Mr. Hamza Zaheer. But now I'm Professor Hamza Zaheer with a lots of hurdles and burdens I'm faced due to in academia in the last 10 years. So the company culture totally impact your personality. And the last one is the work-life balance. Today I'm another session with another university at international level, and in which we discuss about the work-life balance. Why work-life balance? When we not maintain the proper schedule about the personal life and the professional lives, so we cannot achieve our goals. And the flexible schedule and the work-life balance policies are attractive to candidates. If we not offer the work-life balance, employees not manage with you. Why? Employee leave your organization. Employee not working with you. They are not happy. So that's the main challenges and retain in quality management talent. And the next one is identifying the skill gap in the quality management professionals. How we identifying? How we identifying the skills in quality management professionals? So the number one is the technical proficiency. Demand for expertise in quality tools and the techniques and the standards. Always discuss about the new methods, new techniques, and the new solutions available for the your organization for your field. But we in are not like this type of nature. I'm seeing that and observed that we already rely on the previous solutions and the previous methods. Why? That's the main issue. That's the main technical proficiency. Next one is the analytical skills. Ability to interpret data, identify trends, and the draw actionable insights. Analytical skills, I'm seeing that from the last almost 5 to 10 years in Pakistan, there is a proper degree in offered in analytical skills. But before it, there is a lack of skills in Pakistan. This is why they said easily. There is a lot of issues create for us, but now we are solving their issues due to the analytical. There is a little bit knowledge about the analytical skills. So if we want to identifying the skills gap in the quality management professional, so the number one is the technical proficiency, and the next one is the technical skills, and the last one is the communication and the collaboration. There is the best example. We can communicate through the Zoom. We can collaborate from the different countries, Jakarta and Pakistan. There is a time gap. Here is only 8:30 a.m. and in Jakarta almost 9:30 a.m. Maybe 10:30 a.m. So there is a communication collaboration. When we communicate and collaborate different countries, different nations, so we can build a proper bridge for the quality management and their solutions. Effective communication with the diverse stakeholders, building strong relationship. Yeah, that's the main issue in any country, in any industry. In management, we can say that the stakeholders are the backbone of any organization. Stakeholder discuss the future of organization. So why we are not discuss with the stakeholder? Why we have not a proper strong relationship with the stakeholders? And the last one is the problem solving and the critical thinking. Capacity to identify root causes. What are the main issues? What are the roots of this problem? And develop innovative solutions. Not rely on the previous old school thoughts, old school of thoughts. Just generate a new methods. Implement change. We want change, but this is possible from ourselves, from our organization, and then we implement to others. The growing demand for qualified professionals. Why any organization at that time need for the qualified professional? Why they not rely on the unqualified? So the main issue is the retirement phase. Many experienced quality professionals are nearly retired. In future, in current years, this type of thing create a skills gap in the organization and in the field. Evolving job description. Quality roles now require a broader set of technicalities and the soft skills to keep pace with the industry change. When we know about the pace of industry, so we can easily grasp our industry. But the main issue in the in quality management, We can't clearly identify our pace in industry. We only rely on the previous school of thoughts and previous methods and work with unprofessionals and doing just for the betterment of organization for from only 1 to 5 years, not for the long-term journey. That's the main issue. And the last one is the competitive landscape. Companies are competing to attract and retain top quality talent, making their field highly to competitive. So the competitive landscape is a good for your organization and also for your future. But in our industry, especially in academia, we see that we create a competitive landscape. We create a brotherhood landscape. We align with different industry sectors. We align with different stakeholders for the betterment of industry. So if you want to do a quality management in academia, and I'm easily said it, we are already working on it and doing lots of work about it. Recently we changed our whole curriculum about the graduates for the betterment of their future, for the betterment of their life. Same with we also doing for the masters and degree at next year, and next for the MPhil, and next for the PhD. This is called quality management. How we do best for the any organization? How we do best for any degree? That's the remedies for the organization, for sector, for any professional degree. Okay. Now we discuss about the innovative strategies for developing quality management competencies. That's a main point. How we develop the strategies to developing the nature about the quality management competencies. So the number one is the mentorship program. That's the best example. Today, Felch and I am Mr. Hamza create a license and create a Zoom meeting for the 60 minutes. There's the mentorship program. We mentored you. We trained your minds about the quality management issues and the problems. Training experienced professional with the aspiring quality managers for guidance. Seems like that. Industry certification. Encourage pursuits for recognized certifications for demonstrate expertise. Yeah, that's the main second issue in regarding the management competencies. So encourage pursuits. Encourage different individuals who have different knowledge about this industry, different experience about this industry, and arrange sessions with you, spend time with them so you can easily understand the main issues, the main problem, the main difficulties they face regarding their industry. And the last, third one is the partnership with university. Yeah, create alliance, create a different types of strategic alliance, collaborate with academic institutions to develop a specialized program. Seems like that. I'm available at Rifa. I'm available at Superior in Pakistan, and the fellows are available in Jakarta in different universities. So we can create a partnerships and we create a session. We collaborate with different academic institutions to develop specialized programs. And the last one is the internal training initiative. Yes. For this, I'm quote the best about it. I'm already said to my student, train yourself, then train to others. First of all, train yourself. When you not train yourself and train to others, you create a hurdles, you create an errors, you create a lots of blunders for others. But when you train yourself and then train you others, you learn a lot from others. You train yourself before you train others. So this the main 4 point internal training initiatives. Investing in internal trainings programs to cultivate in-house talent. Already, I'm already ready for any session, any trainings at any cost. You also have this type of nature. Attend the session, attend the meeting, attend the conferences regarding any topic, regarding any issue. This type of things, uh, activities change your nature, change your personality, change your perspective. You see that how the world seeing the world, how the world face the problem, how the world resolve the problem, how the world generates the solutions for the problem. Okay, now we discuss about the solutions, how we bridge the gaps regarding the quality management. So the first one is enhancing education and training, and this is the best example. ISEC Academy already doing a lot of work about it. I'm already seeing there at the beginning. Universities should integrate quality management subjects covering tools like Six Sigma, Lean, and ISO standards. These type of courses are already offered by ISEC. I'm very happy today I'm literally too much happy when see that the felt okay, ISEC already have doing a lot of work regarding the Six Sigma, Lean, and ISO standards, along with the practical training programs to equip students with the skills need for success. We want to success in our future. So we're already ready for attend the different type of sessions, trainings, certifications regarding the Six Sigma, Lean, and the ISO. So first thing is enhance education, improve the level of education, train the education, and train the trainers. When we train the trainer, so they train the different types of professionals, and they train the professional, so they do a better work in their organization, and they create a better product and also doing a best for the quality management. And the continuous professional development. What is the continuous professional development? Organizations should invest in regular workshops, seminars, online courses to keep quality professionals. I'm share with my experience when I'm joined the academia in different sectors. So I'm seeing that some organization doing a lot of efforts regarding the workshops, seminars, and online courses, but some organization are not. When I'm spent almost 10 years in academia. So I'm seeing that those organizations who spend a lot of efforts regarding the workshops, seminars, online courses, and different kinds of things, so they flourish, they succeed. And those organizations who's not doing these type of things, they dissolve on. Their owners are become insolvent. They are bad debts now. Why? Because continuous learning and continuous professional development, being a part of our personality, being a part of our job. You know that I'm a lecturer, I'm serving in academia. So when I'm attend the class, I'm not only deliver the lecture, and also learn from the students. I'm seeing that how they observe me, how they see my lecture, how they hear my lecture, how they act regarding in front of me. Why? Because continuous learning is the main factor for any organization and for any problem in any organization. So if you want to do a continuous learning, so you should succeed in your future. Current on the best practices and emerging technologies, mentorship programs can further enhance skills and knowledge transfer. Yes, mentorship program must be do by your country, by your organization, by your different academic sectors. I'm also already available for it to mentor. Today I have different session. The first session with your organization, ISAC, and next one is with another organization. After that, I mentor almost 10 to 12 students for their future and for their pursuing their PhDs and MPhils. Why? Because mentorship is necessary for your personal growth, for your professional development. I'm also have different mentor from myself, and I'm also serving as a mentor for others. Okay, now we discuss about the barriers to attracting and retaining quality talent. How we retain the quality talent. So the number one is the perceived lack of excitement. Excitement, busyness create another type of energy among you. So the quality roles are sometimes viewed as a tedious or lacking in the career advancement opportunities. Competitive compensation, yeah, why not? We are all are working for our remuneration and the compensation, and the organization not offer the competitive compensation. So we left the organization. That's the harsh reality of any organization and any sector. So salaries and benefits may not be competitive enough to attract and retain the top talent. That's the main issue I'm seeing, that the lack of excitement, the competitive compensation, and the limited training program. I'm thinking that if any organization only arrange 5 trainings and almost 5 to 10 sessions among year and between the whole year, so it's not professional, because there is a 365 days in a whole year. So I'm recommend at least 30 to 35 trainings and almost seminars and the conferences, almost lump sum up to 60. These type of things must be arranged in a whole year. So limited training programs, the main barrier for attracting and retaining quality talent. and the organizational silos. Quality professionals may feel disconnected from the broader business's objective. Yeah, that's the main issue. Our organization goal is different, and we work for different goals. So the main issue, quality professionals may feel disconnected. They feel they are not a part of organization. They not hear us. They not discuss with us. So always discuss your goals, your objectives with your professionals. Now we discussed about the strategies for building a robust quality workforce. So talent acquisition, we discussed already about it, professional development discussion about it, organizational culture, and industry academia collaboration. So the industry academia collaboration collaborate with the universities to develop relevant curriculum and the research initiatives. Yeah, I'm already instruct my student to do a research, to do a research, to do a research, not rely on the, not rely on any other factor, not rely on any other thing, not rely on any other website. Being a research, think about it. Can we research it? No, we're just doing a copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. So avoid it. We just create numbers for the world. We just create uh, um, the best one remedies. So please think about doing the research, doing the best quality research. Then we doing something good for our organization, something good for our program and the degree. Okay, upskilling and the continuous learning for the quality professionals. So we offered certification program already. ISEC doing this thing, online courses, maybe ISEC doing or not, and the mentorship opportunities. Embrace technology. Must understand about the technology, must understand about the changes in the technology, training in the modern tools, offering on data analytics, automations, and the AI. The application is the QM. Quality management now, I'm seeing said that not only quality management, any field, no, rely with the AI, connected with the AI. So why we not discuss about the AI? Why we not handling about the AI? Why we not actual known about AI? What is AI? How we learn about it? Okay, so doing about it. And adoption of QM software, quality management software, ERP. Yes, you must know about the ERP, enterprise resource planning. You know, in in my graduation, I've learned about almost 3 to 4 software about the ERP. Like I'm learned about the MOs, I'm learned about the in Stata, I'm learned about the SPSS, and the next one is then I learn about EView. There's a lot of software I'm learned about in my graduation degree. So learn about ERP software. There's different types of ERP software available in the market, but if you not known about it, so you cannot succeed about it. And the leadership and the organization culture promote a culture of continuous improvement and openness to change. That's the main issue in our organizations, in our field. We can't accept the openness to change. Encourage leadership. Already encourage yourself. Already encourage others. Yeah, I'm always ready to encourage my students if they're doing a good thing. Why? Because this thing create a positive change in his or her personality. Okay, now we discuss about the collaborative efforts between industry and academia. So we do a collaborative efforts like that curriculum development. We can develop a curriculum with both of us, mean industry and academia, totally align and discuss the problems and the issues. So we align our curriculum. Research partnerships. Yes, we do a research partnerships like collaborate on research initiatives to advance quality management practices and the technologies. And the last one is the internship and apprenticeship. I don't know, but in Pakistan, there is many organizations aligned with us and provide internships opportunities and the apprenticeship also for our graduates and the MS students. And after that, they also join these the organizations and the knowledge sharing. At that time, we also share the knowledge. We discuss about the issue and the problems and the remedies. So the knowledge sharing can't be stopped. So now we discuss about the conclusion. What's the main conclusion and the issue? So we can say that the quality management field face a critical shortage of skilled practitioners. We have a shortage of skilled practitioners. By addressing the challenges and the implementing strategic initiatives, organizations and academia can work together to cultivate a robust pipeline of quality talent acquisition, ensure the continued success, and continued success of quality management practices. So we'll stop the sharing and going for the session. Yes, Juliet. No, your turn.
All right. Thank you, Professor Zaheer. I love how you talk about quality management. It applies very well with ISCQ Academy since our motto is to be a
Thank you.
lifelong learner.
Thank you.
And
Thank you so much.
yeah, I resonates deeply with every word you share, and it also applies to how we view education in Indonesia with the changes in the Ministry of Education,
Yeah.
where we now try to focus us more on quality rather than quantity, because the
Yeah.
number of academic journals, if I
Yeah.
heard, is around 20,000, and only a few percent of it is considered Q1 Scopus index. So there's just a lot and lots
Yeah.
of
Yeah, I'm
number
already
of
said it. We
journals.
just create only numbers. We don't create
Yeah,
the quality word.
yeah. We tend to uh, acknowledge ourselves as the most
Fine.
producer of journals rather than focusing on quality and really focusing on the impact it have
Yes.
on the industry.
Yeah. You're
All
right.
right,
You're right.
so now we will start our question and answer
Yeah. Why not?
section. For you guys who wanted to ask directly to Professor Zahir, you can raise your hand. And first, we would like to start with Mr. Agung here. He asked, is it possible to design the best quality at a low cost?
Yes. Yes. Why not possible? I'm seeing that the when you adopt the lean strategy, so you can do this. And the tutor is already worked with this strategy, lean Six Sigma.
True. That's the main focus of Lean
Yes.
Sigma. And
Yes.
moving on, so Yayang Nadisha Ayu is asking, as we know that most companies wants to adjust their requirements of product to meet the customer satisfaction. In this case, is building standard will give value added to the company since the standard also need to change over time. Wouldn't that require more cost, time, and resources? So she would like to know your point of view regarding this matter.
Yeah, Yashin right that this type of thing create a lot of cost, time, and issue. So the main question, can I read again?
Yes. So the main question is if in order to meet the customer satisfaction, there needs to be changes within how the companies adjust their products. But if they need to change it over and over again, wouldn't
Hmm,
it
hmm,
affect the cost and the
hmm,
time?
hmm, hmm,
Like whether that sacrifice
hmm.
will really bring impact to the company as
Okay,
they
okay, okay, I
satisfaction.
understand the question. So the answer is that okay, we cannot rely on our customer totally. We can't change the product day by day. Okay, so if we do that, so the cost, yeah, sure, the cost is again high and high, and the company is suffering from maybe for suffering from the loss. So avoid it. So the issue, the remedy is always here. uh, we do best one and deliver the best, because in marketing, the Kotler said, customer not satisfied at any time.
True, that's what Kotler said because we
Yeah,
cannot meet everyone's satisfaction. There's like a very robust levels of satisfaction,
yeah, yeah.
and we just need to
Because
find that normality curve
uh,
of it.
I'm teach marketing also in the university, so I'm not, the Kotler is the father of the marketing, like same like the Adam Smith.
Yes, you have a broad experience in all this.
Yeah,
So moving on
yeah.
with Muhammad Audrey, he asked, based on my experience in the field, sometimes the role of quality is considered as a common enemy because we want good product and also good processes. So how do you think we should deal with this kind of situation, sir?
Okay, he said quality seems like an enemy. So if quality seems like an enemy for them, so they must review their process. They must review their procedure about the quality, because this type of thing create only on those organization. When I'm visit different type of organization in the past like Honda, Toyota, so they discuss about it. So the our main competitive advantage and our main issue is the quality. So they must review their process about regarding the quality procedure, and the IQTM department and the quality QC must discuss the issue with the quality checker QC.
So for you all who wanted to ask again to Professor Zahir, you may, or share about your experiences, whether as an
Yes.
educator or in the
Please share the
industry.
experiences regarding the session. Is it helpful for you or not? Because I'm also measure my satisfaction regarding the session.
Yeah, so while we wait, I'd like to ask in your experience right now, like for me as I pursue my graduate degree, it's a bit different with my undergraduate degree with the rising of AI technology. If
That's
in the
great.
previous years I need to work hard for my research, as you said earlier, now people just copy and paste. Well, with another addition, copying to ChatGPT or Gemini and pasting it in our research papers.
Oh,
So
wow.
how could you see like what's the most effective strategies for us to foster the culture of continuous improvement, like with also obviously the help of technology, but not being in bondage with the technology itself. Like we need to, how could we use that technology to help us, but not to completely just blindly rely on the technology?
Yes, that's the main issue. I'm already working on my research paper, and the research paper, the topic is why our graduates totally rely on AI. I'm seeing the issue in my industry when I'm delivered a lecture and assign any task regarding assignments, presentation. So then when next day the students came with proper presentation and assignment, I'm totally amazed how they do that. So they tell me the answers and this totally generated with the AI. So I'm think about that. Why our graduates at our time would do a research, going to library, search the data, collect the data, and prepare slides, this type of thing. So why we miss this type of culture? We miss those days. I think those days are the best days because AI has created a shortcut. I'm thinking that maybe I'm wrong, but I'm thinking that AI create a shortcut for our graduates.
Yes, it does. Well, at least in my experience, it help us do things faster, but
Hmm.
it also help. I don't think it help, but it makes our attention span just it reduces our attention span
Yeah,
as well
yeah,
as the time we spend in like TikTok. It just 15 seconds, and
yeah, yeah.
it makes us unable to
Hmm.
read such long research papers.
Hmm.
We just
But
wanted like fast abstracts, fast abstracts.
yeah, but the in research, I'm also seeing that many researchers generate a total whole research paper from AI. This type of things create a hurdle for us. They only create the numbers. They not create the quality one. I know my colleague also working in different university, and he's doing a her PhD in supply chain. So they already rely on AI. So this type of thing create a hurdle for us and difficulties to face in future as a researcher, as a PhD doctors.
That's the sad reality of today, and I hope
Yeah.
all of us here after we attend this
Yes.
session we
Yes.
understand like quality is better than quantity.
Yes. Yes. We all are belong to academia, so we're doing a collaborative work and solutions for it in future, inshallah.
All right. So, because I see there's no one asking,
Yes.
I'll summarize the session.
Okay.
So, but before, I think I need to share the feedback link, and I'll share it in the group as well because I don't think we have uh, lots of time about it. So you guys may fill it out for us to help improve our works and give us the feedback as well. Okay, you can continue to fill out later, and it's always open until tonight. So before we proceed to take our documentation, I would like to summarize what we have learned today together with Professor Zaheer. So in today's dynamic and interconnected world, the need for skilled quality management professional is more critical than ever. To address
Yeah.
the challenges of a rapidly evolving landscape, organizations must prioritize continuous learning and development for their quality workforce. This includes investing in robust training programs, fostering a culture of innovation, and leveraging technology to enhance quality management practices. Collaboration between industry and the academia is crucial to bridge the skills gap, develop relevant curricula, and ensure a pipeline of future-ready talent. By embracing these strategies and fostering a culture of excellence, organizations can cultivate a highly skilled quality workforce capable of driving sustainable growth and achieving competitive advantage in the global marketplace. So we are glad to have you all here with us. Together we learn about the challenges and solutions as we embark in this new era to generate the suitable workforces in quality management. So I would like to ask you all if you may to turn on your camera as we are taking this documentation together. This documentation taken, we officially ended our webinar and we're once again glad to have you guys spend your early morning with us with the conditions in Pakistan and in Jakarta or wherever you are in Indonesia, which is currently raining, even now in Indonesia, and we hope we can meet with you all again and share our thoughts on improving quality management together. So thank
Yeah.
you very much, Professor Zahir, and thank you,
Thank you, Juliet.
everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Prof.
Thank you.